As the spread of COVID-19 threatens to strand people inside as they're asked to work from home or even lose their jobs altogether, domestic violence advocates say there's a potential increased risk for survivors. ABC4's Katie Corrales checks in with police and domestic violence resource centers to learn how survivors can manage their mental health and stay as safe as possible.
Now, as the CDC imposes restrictions asking the public to self-isolate and social distance, people with already violent partners will now be trapped at home with them and facing the anxiety of losing their jobs and income. Advocates say domestic violence could rapidly increase. These are the 13 people in Washington County alone who police have arrested on domestic violence charges since Friday evening, including one incident of alleged rape, as well as child abuse and aggravated assault.
I definitely think there could be a correlation in that spike.
St. George police officer Tiffany Atkins says it's critical that survivors find someone they can trust and lean on for support. Domestic violence advocates say abuse is about power and control, and abusers will use any tools, including a national health concern such as COVID-19, to exert that power and control, making survivors and children more vulnerable.
If you don't feel like you can call on the phone, but you can safely send a text message, you just send that text to 911. Our dispatchers are able to text back.
Staff at the Dove Center are recommending survivors come up with a safety plan, including setting up a code word with neighbors who can dial 911 or avoiding stairs in unsafe rooms like bathrooms or kitchens that tend to have hard surfaces and sharp objects.
Can guarantee you what you're experiencing. You deserve to be heard, you deserve to be supported, and you deserve to get the help. And we want you to know that that's available here at Dove Center.
Dove Center employees say they are reducing the number of people that come into their office, and all community groups are canceled until further notice, but they're providing in-person crisis advocacy where possible and when symptoms of illness aren't present. Victim support will continue to be accessible, and their most critical services remain uninterrupted. In St. George, Katie Corrales, ABC4 News.
If you or someone you know is in a dangerous domestic situation, call the Domestic Violence Coalition at the number there on your screen, and always call 911 in the event of an emergency.